Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, we're going to be discussing the one skill you need in order to build a successful online business. Now, I know on this actual channel that we primarily teach how to start an OnlyFans management agency and teach you all the tips and tricks related to that. However, this skill can be applied to any online business, whether you're a creator for OnlyFans or whether you're doing some other business like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, all these other ways you can go about making money on the internet. This skill is applicable to all of them because every day I get tons of questions from people just asking, what does it take to make money online? And the truth is, it's a lot simpler than you think. 2 years ago when I started my OnlyFans management agency, I put 10K a month on a pedestal, and I was like, wow, if I could hit 10K, if I can make 10K in a single month, that would be crazy. That'd be life changing. And it was to a degree. However, you start to realize that it's not as hard as you think, and most of the time you tend to overcomplicate the whole process because especially making that money from running an OnlyFans management agency, you feel like you're cheating in a way because it's just such easy money. There's really very little business complexity in terms of the actual product you're selling, the actual operations. It's one of the easiest businesses to start in the world. So that's why you kind of feel like you're cheating in a way. However, it's just being smart. Why pick a super complicated business model when you got this super easy, really lean, efficient business model that you could just get started with? And now that I'm reflecting back to it, it really only came down to one skill. And the reason I was able to start the OnlyFans management agency and make 10K within the first 2 months was because of marketing. And it's really simple. Marketing is a skill that everyone needs to learn in order to make money online because it's the pivotal, it's the starting of a business transaction in the sense of you need help and this is how I can help you. That is marketing, and every business needs marketing. And it's not until you learn that skill that you're able to make tons of money online. Because when you think about all these make money online businesses, the one thing they all have in common is that they need marketing. Maybe there's different operations on the back end, maybe there's different complexities in terms of how you go about fulfilling the offer. However, they all really stem down to how are you marketing the business, and that's where you get your initial cash flow from. So if you're not at 10K a month, the only thing you really need to focus on at the moment is marketing. And especially if you're doing an OnlyFans management agency like I did, it really only comes down to how can you go about marketing your brand and how can you go about marketing your client's brand or your client's business as well, which in our case is OnlyFans client. So the thing that they all need is marketing, and there's different elements when it comes to product development, client fulfillment, sales, team building, operations. These are all very important. But if you're focusing on cash flow, the thing that's going to pull the biggest lever is marketing. And when you think about these people online that you see making lots of money, for example, Grant Cardone, Gary Fee, Andrew Tate, the Paul brothers, KSI, Manny Koshabin, Iman Ghazi, all people like this, the one thing they all have in common is that they're great marketers. And when you stop listening to what they say and you kind of look at what they do instead, you can see that they're just doing marketing. That is literally all they're doing. They create a us versus them dynamic. They create copy to speak to a particular target market. And they're just really good at marketing, which is why they're able to make lots of money. And it's that reason that they've been successful in all business endeavors, whether they work in real estate, whether they have a social media agency, whether they're an influencer, because they're all really good at marketing. That's why they're able to just make tons of money when needed. And they all identify a gap in the market, they provide value, and then they market themselves as the go-to source. Now, the only thing that is different is whatever niche they decide to pick, and in terms of how they actually go about delivering the service. So, for example, in real estate, real estate people, they need marketing. They need to get clients. They need to get people they can sell the property to. So there's all these complexities when it comes to the actual, different stamp duty cost, different taxes when it comes to the property, different finishes, different furniture. There's all these different variables, but the real thing that moves a real estate agent would be marketing and getting clients coming to them saying, I need a property. And it's the same with any business. whether you want to make money. So 2023, if you want to make lots and lots of money, the thing you need to do is learn marketing. And some of you may not like marketing, you may find it tedious, you may find it confusing, you may find it complicated, but if you learn marketing, you will be set for life, because you can just go in any industry and you can just apply your knowledge and you could be able to get people customers, and that's really where the money making comes from. Okay, so I hope this video was value. It's a little bit of a different video, however, I just wanted to share a skill which is going to change the game, and especially if you run an OnlyFans management agency like myself, marketing is really the biggest lever you can pull, because you're getting these model subscribers, and once you get them subscribers, you're able to take money from that, and you're able to, of course, you have different sales strategies later on down the line, but the first thing you need to do is market the model. So yeah, if you got value from this video, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.